Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to see how you can see your students while you're presenting your screen in Google Meet. For those who are new here, I'm Rekha and I make videos on learning and teaching. Consider subscribing to my channel if you want to see more content like this in future. Without much delay, let's get into the video. Previously, I made few videos on Google Meet and I also showed how you can present your screen to your audience. But still some of you said you are not able to see your students while you are presenting your screen. For this I had to do some research and I found an application called Dualless. With that application you will be able to see your students at the same time you can present your screen. Let's see the installation and also the usage of Dualless application. Open Google Chrome, you can type Google Meet extension Dualless, or you can directly go and type Dualless application. It is actually an extension to your Chrome browser. Once you install it, it will be added to your extension features. This is the application I was talking about. This is the product logo. You can see that. In order to install it, click on the Add to Chrome option. Click on Add to Chrome. Once you click it, it will be added as an extension to your Chrome browser. Dualless extension is now created in our Chrome browser. Now I'm going to show you how you have to use it in Google Meet. For this we have to open Google Meet, but before that I wanted to say one more thing. When you want to present your screen to your audience or to your students, make it sure that this feature or this extension actually splits the browser into two screens. So you have to keep your presentation in one of the browse tabs. That is, this is actually separating the tabs. You will be able to see your Google Meet in one tab and you will be able to see the presenting screen on the other tab. I tried to do this by keeping my presentation slides in my computer, but it didn't work. So then I again tried by keeping the presentation slides in one of the tabs of Google Chrome, and then it worked out. So I would recommend you, in order to use this, keep whatever you want to present in one of the tabs of the Chrome browser, and in another tab conduct your Google Meet. Let's now open Google Meet. Once it opens, I'm going to start a meeting. Now the meeting is started. I'm going to keep my camera off and also my microphone off, and I'll click on join now. Now we are in the meeting, you can see, and if you look at the people, it has only one person and that is myself. Let us see how you can present your screen. In order to present the screen, you have to click on present now option at the bottom of the screen. When you click it, it will give you three different options, that is to present the entire screen, or a window, or a tab in the Chrome browser. I have chosen a tab in the Chrome browser. When I click it, it gives me two options, the meeting tab or the presentation tab. I am choosing presentation tab and clicking on share. When I click on share, now you can see I am presenting. This is what I wanted to present to my audience, but you can see I am not able to see my students or my audience now. If I go back to the meeting tab, on that particular tab it will be shown as I am presenting here. Now I'm going to stop presenting in order to show you the mechanism of Dualless application. Again I will click on present now option. When I click it, again it will give me few options. I'm choosing presenter tab and I'm again choosing my presentation part, and I click on share. Now you are in your presenting screen. In order to see your audience or your students, you have to apply the Dualless application. Go to the Dualless application extension in your Chrome browser. When you click it, it will give you few ratios, that is the ratios in which you want to see your presentation tab and also your meeting tab. The portion you select will be applied to which screen you are right now. I'm going to select 50-50 because I want to see my meeting half of the window and my presentation slides on the other half portion. When I click on 50-50, you can see my screen will be shared. Now we can see on one side I'm able to see my presentation and on the other side I'm able to see my meeting screen. It's very simple and it's very easy. You can choose any ratio you want depending upon the situation and also your need. You can split the screen while you are in your meeting tab also, and you can even move the screens from left side to right side and right side to left side, and you can even adjust the size of the tabs. You can reduce it or you can expand it. You will be able to see the participants and also the chats that is going on, so that you can have a live conversation with your students or with your audience. That's it friends. I hope this video was useful. If you like it, hit the thumbs up and share it with people whom you think would get benefited from this video, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel in order to see more videos like this in future. I thank you all for watching.